Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Godzilla and Kong teaming up from the new Godzilla and Kong, the New Empire movie. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Godzilla and Kong team up, let's begin by drawing Godzilla. So I'm going to start right here with the eye, and I'll begin by drawing a line that's just going to come down, and then I'm going to bring it back here in like a check mark. Then we'll just draw this line down and then curve up for the eye. Next over here, we'll kind of do that same thing. We're just going to go down and then bring it back. And we'll just go down and then up here. Next, I'm going to bring this line out and then in. And I'm going to bring this line back here, and then I'm going to bring it in. I'm going to make a little kind of broken line right around each one. And I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up. I'm going to make a little bit of like a pointed spiked line right across the top. Make a broken line, and I'll bring it down here. Next, starting up here by the eye, I'll draw a line that's going to go down and in for the nose. And over here we'll go over and then down. We'll add a little bump kind of around each one, and then a little line across here. I'll bring this in, and a little line here. The line's going to go down here. I'm going to curve this up and then down. Bring this up and in. And then I'm going to add some little kind of curved broken lines right around here on the eye. I'll bring this line back. Next, I'm going to draw this line down. We're going to come over and then up. And then I want to add some teeth in here. So I'm going to add just some sharp pointed teeth. And then a little line down with a couple more for the back of the mouth. Then I'm going to add some more points on here. And some more little points for teeth here. And I'll bring this line up. Now for the tongue, let's draw a line that's going to come down here. And another little line. And a line that curves back here. I'll bring a line down, and we'll curve right around the mouth. Then we're going to go down, come over, and we're going to go up, and then up here to kind of form out the jaw. I'm going to draw a little line that's going to come out and in, just to kind of show the other side. And then I'm going to take this line, I'm going to bring it out and then down with some spikes. So just kind of go down and then bring it back. Now for the neck, I'm just going to draw a line that's going to go down and that's going to come back up. I'm going to repeat this just a few times. Bring this down and in. We'll come up like this. And a little broken line here. Next, I'm going to bring this line down and in, and I'll bring this line up. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line out for the shoulder. Then I'm going to bring this line down here for the arm. Then I'll bring it down a little farther. Draw a line that's going to come out to a point and then back up. Bring it down to another point and up. And then I'm going to kind of curve a little point here. Next, I'll bring this line around, come down to a point, and then up here for the thumb. Bring this line up and in, and then we'll bring it right over here. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down. Another line here. bring this line down here and this line down. We'll bring this line down a little farther. Bring this in, and I'll make a line that's going to come down to a point and curve back. I'm going to bring this line down to a point up. One more down to a point up, and then one small one that's just going to come right back here, and we'll bring it up for that other hand. Next, I'm going to make a little line that's just going to kind of come up and down, and then a little line down, with a few kind of little broken lines right inside of here. Next, I'm going to bring a line that's going to come down, and that's going to angle straight down. I'm going to make one that's going to come down, and then right to here. We'll make this line come in, and then down. I'll make this line come down, and then back here. Next, I'm going to make some little kind of like broken oval shapes right around here just to kind of show where the knees of Godzilla are. Just some kind of broken oval shapes. And then I'll just kind of make some of these long broken lines right on here. Same thing here, just all these long broken lines kind of right around here. And then some broken lines here. And broken lines right around here. Now, I want to add his dorsal plates. So I'm going to begin by adding some little kind of jagged, spiky lines right across here. And then I'm going to start making some bigger pointed ones with different bumps and points all along the back here. So we're just going to make these big kind of pointed lines right around here, kind of fill in the empty spaces as well. Next, I'm going to bring some little lines that are going to come down and over towards the jaw. And then I'll make some more little broken lines right around here. We'll add some little curves here. And some more little curves here onto the claws. We'll make some little broken lines right around here. And some more broken lines all around here as well. I'll make some nice long lines right across the arms just to add some detail and texture. And then I'll make some of these long kind of broken lines right across the chest too. And some more little lines kind of coming down the neck. Then we'll get some more broken lines right in here. I'm also going to add some little lines right around the mouth, and some more little lines kind of right down the face of Godzilla. Then starting here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to come up. I'm going to bring this line up. We'll curve it around, and then we'll bring it back down to the arm. And we'll jump over and bring it here for Godzilla's tail. We'll make the long kind of broken line down here. And then some little curved lines right across the bottom just to show some texture. I'll add some extra broken lines right along here. And then some more curved lines all across here. Then we'll add those jagged little spikes right across the back. And we'll take these all the way down to the tail, with a few extra little lines on them for some detail. Then I'll bring a line that's going to come back here. And then we'll even add some little broken texture lines onto these spikes up here. Now that we have Godzilla drawn, let's go ahead and draw Kong over here. Now, to start off with Kong, let's begin right here with his eyes. So I'm going to start by making a line that's just going to come down, and then it's going to go back here. Then we're going to leave some space, and we'll do the same thing. Just go down, and then we'll come back like a check mark. Make a line that's going to come down and then down and up for the eyes. For the nose, I'll draw a line that's going to come out and then down, and then out and then down here. Just kind of color this in and bring it down. We'll make this line come over. We're going to go up and then down. We'll go over, up, and then down. I'll make a line come up here and a line come up here. And I'll curve this line around here on each side. And I'll curve this line in here. We'll add a little line on each side. Next, I'm going to bring this line up and over, and we'll just connect it in the middle. Bring this line down, and then we'll bring this line down. And I'm going to curve this in on each side. Next, right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down on each side. I'll make a line that's going to come up, over, and then down. Bring this line down, come over, and then up. Right here, I'll make a big point for a tooth, and then a big point for one of his other teeth. Then I'll make a line across. Then I'll add some little bumps in here to make his other teeth. I'll make a line on each side. Same thing here. Let's draw one of his big teeth right down here on each side. We'll make a line across, and then we'll add some little bumps. Next, I'm going to bring this line down. We're going to come over, and then bring it up. I'll bring these lines in on each side. And add a little curved line around here, and then a little broken line right around here on each side. And then I'm going to add some little broken lines right around here for a little bit of detail on Kong. Starting here, I'm going to make kind of like a jagged pointed line that's going to come up and down. And then I'm going to bring it down here. And I'll do the same thing. I'll bring it down here. I'll add a little curved line for the ear. And another one just goes up and down for the ear. Next, I'm going to bring these lines down. We're going to come down to kind of like a pointed beard, and then I'll bring it back out and in. Curve this line on each side and put a little curve inside. Now, starting right here, I'm going to make his chest, but I'm going to kind of make it at an angle. So I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down. It's going to be kind of broken. It's going to come up and then back here. And then over here, we're just going to kind of come down and then up here. So it kind of looks like he's moving. Now, starting up here, I'm going to draw a jagged line that's going to come up. It's going to curve around for his shoulder and come down. I'm going to make this line come up, and then I'm going to make like a really smooth line that comes down by Godzilla's spikes. We don't see much of this glove he wears. We're going to add some of that detail. So I'm going to start by making another smooth line that just comes up and down. I'll draw a line that's going to come up. It's going to come down and kind of curve around. I'll make another little curved line here. Line that comes down and in. Then a little line up here. We'll add a couple little curves right here for some more pieces and a little kind of square shape inside there. We'll add a line down. And then we'll add a little circle shape right inside of here with some little spots colored in. I'll make a couple more little curved lines on here. And another little line here. And I'll put a few little rectangle and square shapes right inside of there. And that's about all we're going to see for that part of the arm. I'll bring this line down and bring this down here. I'm going to curve this line down for this side of Kong's shoulder, and I'm going to bring this line across. And then I'm going to bring a line that's going to come over, and we're going to draw the hand. I'm going to bring this line down here, and we'll curve it over. Make another line that's going to curve down for a finger. One more right here. Then we'll add one right here, and we're going to curve this up and curve this over. I'm going to curve a couple little lines here, and then we're going to bring this line up. I'm going to bring this line out a little farther. We'll make some little wrinkle lines right across there and some little curves for the fingernails. Make a couple little broken lines right across here for the knuckles. Then we're going to add just some kind of long broken lines here. I'm going to curve this line down. And then I'm going to bring a line right out here, kind of where his leg would be. Now, inside of his mouth, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up and down for the tongue. Then I'll add a couple little lines on the side and 2 lines in the back. Then we'll add a couple little lines coming down. We'll add a little curved line here. And we'll just kind of add some little kind of broken lines on here for some texture on him. We'll add some right up here and some on the beard too. And then a few broken lines kind of right across his chest and his stomach just to add some detail. I'll make another line right down here. And there you go. There is your drawing of Godzilla and Kong teaming up. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.